Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do a tempered glass installation on your Mi Mix 2S. It comes to us from Amazon. It was just a random one I saw. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here with another installation video of a tempered glass on your Mi Mix 2S. I definitely had to get one of these because this phone looks like it's a very delicate device. So I actually picked this up on Amazon for about $8. Hopefully it'll be good because I'm really hesitant on these type of screens. So you do actually get two in a box. And you have like a bunch of different stuff here. They have like a little thank you note from Ms. Gahn or Gain. Big shout out to Gaines. So the first thing you do is clean off the screen with the wet wipe, and you have to make sure you don't hit the earpiece because you don't want to have a wet earpiece. That's definitely a no-no. And you get the dry wipe and you dry it off just like this. A lot of people use a bunch of different stuff, but I just use the included stuff because sometimes it's really good, but there's other times when it's really bad. Now, if you guys are waiting for more content about the Mi Mix 2S, I do have that coming on the way. I've been working on the BlackBerry video, so I do have that full review actually coming up as well. So let's see where the earpiece is because I get confused. So the camera's on the bottom, so it's up like that. Alright, so just clean it off a bit. So just keep cleaning it off. Then you're gonna get your stickers. Where's your stickers? So we have our dust absorber, basically a sticker, and you just have to clean off the device of any type of dust or debris, and you just gotta clean that off. Is that a scratch? Oh, so it looks like I already have a scratch. Okay, so that's disappointing. That's what happens when you carry phones in pockets without tempered glasses. So, hooray! Alright, so we're gonna go into the tempered glass installation to prevent any more scratches. I'm just gonna wipe this down a little bit more. Looks like the oleophobic coating is pretty strong on this one. So, down to the glass. Should be fairly simple. Just have to take this off, and always do it on the side because there's times where these glasses have issues. Alright, so the camera on the bottom, so I have to get used to that. So see if I could. So you have a bunch of different sensors, so maybe you should go by the headpiece first. And the earpiece. Why would we say headpiece? Okay, alright, that looks fair. Definitely has that little dot matrix there. So let's see if I did it right. Alright, so I didn't check if it was adhesive around, but as far as everything else, it seems pretty good. So the touch sensitivity is just fine. Alright guys, so you guys let me know what do you think about the glass. It does raise a little bit. Hopefully it'll work with cases, and I do have a case video actually coming up right after this video. So you guys let me know what you think about the glass. I think it looks perfect. I don't see no bubbles, so you probably just have the glue around the edges. So it seems good for $8, and you get a 2-pack. So if it pops off, you get another try. Alright guys, so if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Mi Mix 2S and more tech to come. So, to the next video guys, peace.